Hello, hi, my name is Norma. I'm a professional organizer in Charlotte, North Carolina. Today I'm just making labels to put on my cleaning bottles. They're nice clear bottles I got from Grove. And I just need to remember what these bottles actually do and what's in the product, just making the labels with my label maker. It's an awesome little handy label maker I use for my clients and for things around my home. So this video will give you some tips on how to use chemical-free products. Well, now basically I'm going to tell you about that. I'm just going to show you that the Grove have some really great products and that the glass bottles are very helpful to use, so you can just rinse them out and they don't start to deteriorate or hold chemicals, So what I did was just make up the labels in advance, and they come in little tubes like this. So once you put it in a bottle, you put half of this, you put the whole tube in there with half water. So you dilute it, so this way you have enough cleaner. And this one is an all-purpose cleaner. It has orange and rosemary, and they all smell so good. And because it's an all-purpose cleaner, I made a label for all-purpose cleaner. Okay, so I'm back. I found out what it was because I went on their website to check it out, and it's a glass cleaner. So that's awesome because I need a glass cleaner container because my mirror in my bathroom is not looking good today. I cleaned the bathroom yesterday. I used the vinegar and water, but it didn't make the mirror look clean. So as you can see, it looks a little cloudy. So what I do is just take the spray bottle and I start from the top, but it's gonna rinse down. And just spray a few drops, a couple sprays on the window, and just clean the glass. So if you can see that looking kind of dull right now. So let me make sure my camera doesn't fall over. Using a tripod here. It's not as sturdy as I would like it. Like the phone is heavier than the tripod. It's the iPhone 10, which I love, but yeah. So now I have my labels, I got my containers, and the best technique for the window glass, any kind of glass, is to go in like an S shape. So then you're overlapping the area to make sure it gets clean. And once it's dry, once you have everything wiped, then you just go over it again, put the cloth over, and I use paper towels for my glass. And already I can see the difference, and it looks amazing. Beautiful. Need to see your beautiful face in the morning. So you use your glass cleaner. And that looks awesome. If you see any little streaks, just go right back over it. Using the same technique as the S shape. Sometimes you gotta do it a couple times to get everything smoothed out. And when that doesn't work, go straight across. And down. All right, that's it. Now as you can see, the glass is so nice and bright. Okay, looks bright to me anyway. All right, so I have my container of cleaning products here from the Grove, and I am not sponsoring their products. I'm just mentioning to you what I use because I like them, and I love their glass bottles. I think they're amazing. They're nice, heavyweight, and sturdy. So once I put all my products in here, this is for my laundry. So to give you a nice container for that, and it is also glass. And it's easy to just wipe the bottles down and refill them. So yeah, that's what I do. And this comes in a bag like this for laundry detergent. And this is for stain remover for laundry. And then I have some Mrs. Meyer's All Day Clean. Love the way they smell. This is a dish soap. That would go down in my kitchen, so I'm gonna put this over there. And this is the All Day Cleaner too, and this is a multi-purpose cleaner, so you can put this, one of the multi-purpose glass bottles that I have, which is this one here. So when this is all full and I don't have any more of those little tubes, I'll just pour this in there and use it as a spray. Or I can keep it in this bottle, which is just fine. But of course, I love the glass bottles, so. This one you get for your toilet, to clean the toilet. So it has this nozzle and you just go around and let it sit for a little while and then wipe your toilet, clean the toilet out. That works perfectly. So everything just goes in this little box that I purchased, because I wanted to use a container where I can keep all my products all in one place. So this way, when I'm ready to clean upstairs, I don't have to go downstairs to pick up products to clean the house. And this one is free and clear remover, stain remover. So the this one for stain remover on the clothing. Okay, so we'll see what labels we got left and use them for another room in the house where I have some cleaning products downstairs. So I'm just going to be taking these, the label maker, and going back downstairs on the first floor so that I can clean the, I mean not clean, but label the downstairs containers. So that's my product for the day. That's my tips for the day. And then I just store them in here, wherever it can fit anyway. I have a lot in this little bin. I do have a top for it. Top may or may not fit once all the products are inside. So let's see, the top will go on. If I lean this one over, it may, but for the most part, you know, if you want to put a top on it, you can. Or you can use this as a bottom tray. So it's easy to pick up and you can carry it this way. All right. So now that we got that out of the way, I'm just going to store this in the upstairs closet. Over here, I have my caddy for cleaning products. I'm sorry, caddy for my bathing products, you know, toiletry items. And then over here, I got my mouthwash and things like that I use on a daily basis. And because when I'm bored, I like to organize stuff, I went and put like soaps in here. So I use a lot of body wash, so I don't have a lot of soap, but this is like facial soaps and body scrubs. And then in this drawer, I have, can you see that? Which, where is this camera facing? Okay, here we go. This is for facial cleansing, foot pads and things like that. So if it's in a packet, I put it in there. And then show you this one again, because I don't know if you even saw that. That's the soaps and things like that, facial scrubs, body scrubs. And this drawer has, like, you know, medical supplies and things like that you would use daily, or hopefully not. Then I have a bin over here with like wipes and sprays and stuff like that to keep the bathroom smelling fresh. I use this little caddy here. This is like a little bin for toilet paper and paper towels, stuff like that, extra bathroom items. And then in this one I have towels and bath cloths that we use in the bathroom, so I don't have to go looking for one. The bath cloth or towel is dirty, or I forgot to replace it, and it's always in the tub. And of course, I keep like a shower spray in the bathroom. This is a daily shower spray that I got from Grove also. Then I use like a eucalyptus spray to give it a kind of like a spa smell. And I'm using, you know, before I take my shower. So that's it, guys. I'm so glad you were able to watch this today and join me. So please have a good day and stay tuned for my next videos. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye.